Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to turn off web and app activity history on your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Data Privacy. Scroll down. Under History Settings section, click on Web and App Activity. Toggle the button next to Web and App Activity to turn it off. Click on Pause. That's it. Settings is turned off. If you want, you can delete old activities. Select an option and click Next. Click Delete. That's it. All your web and app activity history has been deleted. This is how you can turn off web and app activity history on your Google account. Thank you for watching.